Hello everyone, myself Dr. Love K. Kataria, and in this video we are going to talk about 3 points: stomach 41, 42 and 43. So let's start with the first point. So stomach 41 is known as JG, and which is meaning dispersing stream. So let's see the location first and we'll understand why this is known as dispersing stream. So in order to locate this point, what you have to do, you have to go to the level of the lateral malleolus. So the bone on the outer side of the foot at the level of the ankle, so that is the lateral malleolus, and the inner side, that is the medial malleolus. So from the level of the lateral malleolus you have to go to the center of the foot, and from there you will feel that there are two tendons going in different directions. One goes to the first toe and the other goes to the other toes, and they forms a V. So when the stomach channel comes down to the foot at this part, it seems like a river coming from behind is getting divided into two streams, and hence it is known as dispersing stream. So this point is located in between the two tendons in the depression. So what is the most important part is that it is the Jing River point of stomach channel and the fire point of stomach channel. So as we all know that the Jing River points has a general function that it affects the joints. So in similar way it is going to affect this joint as well, and in this case it is the ankle itself. So as it is going to affect the ankle, so it can also, this point is used for first of all the ankle itself, the foot drop cases, foot problems, pain. It can be used as a distal point for the knee pain as well, along with the painful obstruction syndrome. So now let's see what is the significance of a fire point. So fire point, as from the name you will understand, it can be given for the problems such as the heat in the stomach channel itself and the problems related to the stomach organ as well. So if the heat is there in the stomach channel, it can cause pain, swelling, inflammation of the head and frontal headache and red eyes. So we have to understand, see, the more distal you get, the more distal organs are affected. So the foot is going to affect the head. The lower leg was able to affect the abdomen. So the more distal we are going, the more distal organs the channel points are able to affect. So in a similar way, these symptoms are can be treated through this. So if there is any problem of heat in the head or face, so this point can be chosen. Then if there is some stagnation which is causing some distension, belching or excessive hunger in stomach, so as it is the fire, if the fire is affecting the stomach, so more acid production will be there, and which can cause excessive hunger, and hence this point can also be used in such cases. Now as we have already seen in the previous videos that the stomach divergent channel passes through the heart, and the primary channel meets the governing vessel at the 2 points GV20 and GV24. So this is able to affect the mind or the heart. So if the heat reaches the heart or disturbs the spirit, so it can lead to such emotional disorders such as mania, palpitation and fright. So in such cases also, if these psycho-emotional problems are occurring due to the excessive heat, then this point can be chosen. So let's move on to the next point, and we have already discussed about the disorders of the lower leg. So let's move on to the next point. So the next point is stomach 42, known as Chong Yang. So its meaning is penetrating yang. So let's again see its location first, and we'll come to understand why it's known so. So in order to locate it, we have to first of all locate stomach 343, and in order to locate stomach 43, we should know about the location of stomach 45. So stomach 44. So stomach 44 falls in the, so it's on the foot also, it falls in the web between the second and the third toe. Okay, just 0.5 chun behind. And from stomach 44, you have to go 1 chun back. Okay, in between the second and the third toe, and that is place where stomach 43 lies in a depression. And what now, in order to locate stomach 42, what you have to do, you have to measure the distance between the stomach 43 and 41, and you have to go in the middle of the both of these points. So somewhere there you will feel the pulsation of dorsalis pedis artery, and in the, at that pulsation nearby there is going to be some depression, and that will be the stomach 42 point. This is the way you can locate it. And so let's see, and because there is the pulsation is felt of dorsalis pedis artery, and hence its name is penetrating yang due to its anatomical location. So most of the points, most of the function of this point are somewhat like that of stomach 41, but a bit difference is there. So let's see those differences. So this point also tonifies the stomach and spleen, and also regulates the intestine. So we have already seen and we have already discussed this point in much detail, this function in much detail, and rest of the points have been doing this, so we'll not go into much detail. So what the other function it does is, along with, if you are giving it together with the triple Werner force, so what it can do, it can tonify the middle burner as well, as it is able to tonify stomach spleen. So the whole middle burner can also be tonified from this combination. The other function is that it is going to act as a local point. It is going to expel the cold from the joints, and is also used for the painful obstruction syndrome. So the next function is that it opens the mind orifice. So the previous point was able to act on mind due to if there is some problem due to excessive heat. Now this point in particular can opens the mind orifices if there is heat or not, it doesn't matter. It is going to open the mind orifice. So let's understand what kind of symptoms are there. So it could be manic depression, or a typical kind of symptoms can be seen in a severely psychologically ill patient. Like that patient has particularly the desire to ascend to the higher places, or the person has it can discard clothes and run around. So those kind of typical patients and symptoms, just keep in mind, and you can use this point. So it's pretty effective. So next, now let's move on to the next point, that is stomach 43, and known as Yanju, and which means sinking valley. So when we go further down, so stomach 42, you will feel a very bony part is there. So when you go further down, so between the two bones, you will feel a depression which looks like a valley, and that is why its name is given due to its anatomical location. So this also means that the water is coming from there, and it is gathering at this point, and which is due to which we can use we can see the symptoms as well, where it is indicated. So it is indicated if there is edema of the face. Okay, the swelling is there, so water part is there, and you have its water is gathering. So what you can do is needling at this point, and the swelling from face can be resolved. The other function is also again the painful obstruction syndrome. It can be treated as a local point as well. The other important function is that it is the shoestring and the wood point. So as it is a wood point, so it can be used in the disharmonies between the wood and the earth element. If there is some disharmony between the liver and the spleen, especially the most common which we see nowadays is inflammatory bowel syndrome. So we can use this point as a very fairly good effect. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.